Shotcut Video Editor, the best free video editing software? Well, let's talk about it. Welcome to my channel. Wikipedia says that Shotcut is a free and open source cross-platform video editing application. Well, I have nothing against it. Wikipedia, you got it right. Shotcut is a cross-platform free video editing software. Well, what's so great about it? What's not so great about it? Let's talk about that in the video. Programmed in C, C++, compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, everything. This Shotcut app is competing to be one of the best free video editing softwares out there. You can see for yourself how the app starts up and how it feels on the starting page and all. Well, the opening may look like it's crashed and there's some glitch, but don't worry, that's just style out there. That's how they do stuff there. And after opening up, it may not look like classy like some of those high-end proprietary softwares where you have to pay a lot of money, subscription fees and all. This looks some cluttery and you may not be pleased on first glance. Check for yourself. But there's one thing you can check. The website. It's rich. It makes up for all the appearances. It lists all the features. Check if your specific needs are satisfied. Now, talking about user experience. When you're starting itself, they ask you to make a new project, and adding clips and cutting the video anywhere are very easy. We can also attach new clips. Every major task in video editing is clear and simple once you know how to do it. You can judge for yourself how it's presented and all. Some feel it's not that pleasing to the eyes like those proprietary softwares out there. Well, for me, it does what it says it does. So that's all matters, right? There are great many options for filters and effects in this app. You can check that filter and effects tab. There are both audio and for video. There's a favorite tab, then there's a video tab, and then the audio tab. Adding filters, creating keyframes are like a major bonus for this, especially considering that this is a free app. This Shotcut also supports direct streaming. That is, you can do voiceovers and add your videos on the app. While on the app, it also gives you the option to give chroma key. Chroma key is the effect you can give to green screen yourself. Here I'll show you some stuff on how to chroma key. And unlike many other apps, it has 4K support, and this has no limit in the type of formats you can output. There are lots of formats. There are no adwares, there are no additional softwares along with the downloads. There are no features behind paywalls. It's great. The feeling is nice. For new video editors who are learning, starting and all, this is one of the best app that you can use. This won't be a review video if I just kept on saying about its positive features, right? Well, that's true. Shotcut has some negative features as well. May not have those high-end innovative features. And Shotcut doesn't have those great transition effects. Even though test adding is there, it's not that a great feature like as in many other paid video editing apps. Also, there is no built-in option to export to popular websites like YouTube and all. And you cannot preview the filters before adding them. Though we can, it's easier to just add and check and remove the filters, but still we cannot review those filters before adding. Summing it up, Shotcut is a remarkable, robust multi-platform tool. For beginners might seem a bit bumpy, but once you get the hang of it, it's so brilliant for new videographers to use because it's free and all. It's all about Shotcut. Tell me your expectations on video editing software down in the comments below and put a like in this video. Please do like and then subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Bimal and